work. Look at this. A whole line of cars around the table.
And a whole line of animals too.
Yes. Look at that. Oh boy. Took a lot of work to get some of those animals to stand up because they kept falling down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. 15 cars and animals.
Yeah, at least. At least.
At least I made 3 guys come up.
Yeah, at least we got them to stand up. That giraffe was very hard to make stand up, kept falling off. Very good. What's that noise I hear? Sounds like valves. Oh, there he is. He's turned over. Okay, well, let's...
Baby, 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 baby.
Help him turn over. Alright. Well, let me... Come here, sweetheart. You have a hard time turning back. After you turn on your stomach, you have a hard time returning to your back. Yes. What are you doing?
Na 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 na.
Being silly, huh?
The picture.
Yeah.
The leaf.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you like to do that, huh? Yeah. Pickle. Wait, you giving me the ball? You giving me the ball? Yeah. Yeah. Gotcha. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Movie dog.
Come here. I can't see you. Where'd you go? Come back here.
Because
What's this? When you grow up, what do you want to be, you were saying?
I will tell guys that a movie dog, the movie roll dog.
Well, stop moving, Tommy, honey.
Movie.
Come back here. You're too dark over there. Come back. Now,
Movie dog. I will tell bedtime dog, movie dog.
Sit down.
When I grow up, I almost been a movie dog.
Yeah, tell me more. Turn around. Look at me.
And
Louder. I can't hear you.
but
Sit down. I
I
can't
made
see
my
you.
mind to be
You made up your mind to be a what?
like
A filmmaker, you were saying to me before?
Oh,
Sit down
my
here on
God.
the steps, Tommy. You're getting the light behind you. You're coming out dark. Talk
a
loud.
homemaker and making videos and making TV videos, videos
Fixing TVs, VCRs, and stereos.
and computers.
Ink. What's that? Magic marker. It's not a